But any party or gathering, food is always a focal point. One of my favorite dishes is French onion soup dip. It's simple and straightforward, and it's very versatile. I am Chef Michael Ferraro, Director of Culinary Concepts for the Charlie Palmer Collective Group. When creating any dish, it all starts with your ingredients. One of the most important steps of this recipe is deeply caramelizing the onions. Add fresh thyme. Garlic won't caramelize like the onions will, so you gotta be careful that they don't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Beef stock, just to add extra flavor. Should take about 40 minutes to slowly caramelize that sugar until onions are deep golden brown and very soft. Pull off the onion mixture and cool it completely. FAGE Sour Cream is non-GMO project verified. It's all natural and made with simple ingredients. It has a tart richness that really elevates this dish. Add fresh chives, shallots, onions, cheese, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of lemon juice for some acidity. Mix it all together and serve it with your favorite kettle chip. This is something completely different than a store-bought onion dip. It's a very decadent, creamy texture. You get fresh flavors of thyme and garlic, sweetness from the deeply caramelized onions, and the smooth creaminess of the FAGE Sour Cream makes this the perfect dip.